Did you know that Japanese housewives are outsmarting global finance? A fascinatingly unexpected group of people, these homemakers from the land of the rising sun, are stirring up the foreign exchange markets. They've taken on the moniker Mrs Watanabe, a name that has become synonymous with this audacious and enterprising group. Their story is one of intrigue, resilience, and an uncanny knack for turning household savings into a veritable trading powerhouse. Who would have thought that homemakers could turn their household savings into a trading powerhouse? The journey of these savvy traders began with frustration. Imagine this: you're a Japanese housewife, diligently saving and setting aside money for your family's future, but you're getting next to nothing in return from your bank. This was the reality for many in Japan during a period of prolonged low interest rates. The economy was in a state of stagnation, and the returns on savings were barely noticeable. The money in the bank was safe, yes, but it wasn't growing. It wasn't working for them. This lack of growth, this feeling of seeing your hard-earned savings stagnate, led to a growing sense of frustration. It was like watching a pot of water, waiting for it to boil, but the flame was simply too low. This frustration wasn't just confined to a few households, it was a nationwide predicament, a shared struggle. It was a problem that needed a solution. And as the saying goes, necessity is the mother of invention. The Japanese housewives, known collectively as Mrs Watanabe, realized that they needed to do something different. They needed to find a new way to make their money grow. Faced with these financial challenges, the Japanese housewives decided to take matters into their own hands. From frustrated savers, they transformed into Forex traders. An unlikely shift, yes, but one born out of necessity. As the returns on their savings dwindled, the Japanese housewives found an alternative avenue for income: foreign exchange trading, or as it's more commonly known, the carry trade. The carry trade is a strategy that involves borrowing in a low interest rate currency and using the funds to invest in a high interest rate currency. The trader profits from the difference in interest rates, which can be substantial if leveraged correctly. It's a strategy that requires a keen eye for global economic trends, a willingness to take risks, and a healthy dose of patience. So why did this appeal to the Japanese housewives? Well, with Japan's interest rates at rock bottom, they were the perfect candidates to become lenders in the carry trade equation. They could borrow cheaply in yen, invest in higher yielding currencies, and reap the benefits of the interest rate differential. It was an attractive proposition that promised better returns than their savings accounts ever could. But it wasn't just about the potential profits. The shift to Forex trading also offered these housewives a sense of empowerment and control over their financial destiny. No longer were they at the mercy of banks offering pitiful interest rates. Now they were active participants in the global financial markets, leveraging their household savings to generate income. But as every trader knows, the world of Forex is not without its risks. The carry trade, like any investment strategy, has its share of pitfalls. But for the Japanese housewives, the potential rewards were worth the gamble. They had become Forex traders, ready to navigate the choppy waters of the global currency markets. When the Russian financial crisis hit, Mrs Watanabe felt the impact. It was a shockwave that reverberated through the world of Forex trading, reaching even the quiet homes of Japan's diligent housewives. As they navigated the choppy waters of foreign exchange trading, these unlikely traders were about to experience their first significant setback. The Russian financial crisis was like a storm on the horizon, dark and unpredictable. It brought with it a surge in the value of the Japanese yen, a currency many of the housewives had bet against in their carry trades. This sudden shift meant their carefully calculated strategies were no longer profitable, leading to unexpected losses. The impact was akin to a financial earthquake, shaking the foundations of their trading operations. These were not professional traders accustomed to the ebb and flow of the financial markets. They were everyday individuals who had turned to Forex trading out of necessity, only to find themselves in the midst of a financial storm. Yet it's in the face of such adversity that true character is revealed. The Japanese housewives, undeterred by the challenges, didn't retreat. Instead, they began to reassess, to learn from their losses. They started to understand the importance of flexibility in trading, of being able to adapt to the ever-changing financial landscape. The Russian financial crisis was a setback, yes, but it was also a turning point. It was a harsh lesson in the realities of Forex trading, but also a testament to the resilience of these unlikely traders. And so, even as the financial crisis raged on, the Japanese housewives braced themselves, ready to weather the storm. But in the face of adversity, the Japanese housewives showed their resilience. After experiencing losses, Mrs Watanabe shifted gears. Like a chameleon changing its colors to adapt to its environment, these Japanese housewives adapted their trading strategies to cope with the fluctuating market conditions. They transitioned from carry trading to day trading, a move that was as bold as it was necessary. Carry trading, while generally profitable, had proven to be a risky venture during the Russian financial crisis. The rise in the value of the Japanese yen had caused significant losses, prompting a change in strategy. Day trading emerged as the beacon of hope. Unlike carry trading that involves holding a position for a longer term, day trading requires buying and selling within the same trading day, capitalizing on small price movements. This shift allowed them to mitigate risks associated with long-term market volatility. But how did they finance this new venture? The answer lies in their household savings. They leveraged these savings, turning a pot of idle money into an active income-generating machine. It's a testament to their resourcefulness, demonstrating that one doesn't need a vast fortune to start trading, but rather a keen eye for opportunity and the courage to seize it. Everyday household chores didn't deter these women from mastering the art of day trading. They juggled responsibilities, proving their mettle in a male-dominated sphere, and emerged as proficient traders, navigating the complex world of Forex with finesse. Through adaptability and resilience, the Japanese housewives have shown that they are not just homemakers, but also skilled Forex traders. They've proven that with the right strategy, a willingness to learn, and the courage to adapt, anyone can find success in the most unlikely of places. From frustrated savers to savvy traders, the journey of Mrs. Watanabe is a testament to resilience. Here we have everyday Japanese housewives who, in the face of meager returns on their savings, took the bull by the horns and delved into the complex world of foreign exchange trading. They adopted the carry trade strategy only to be caught off guard by the Russian financial crisis, which saw their hard-earned savings dwindle due to a surge in the value of the yen. But did they back down? Far from it. They exhibited remarkable adaptability, shifting their strategy from carry trading to day trading. Leveraging their household savings, they found a way to generate more income, outsmarting the global finance system in the process. Their resilience and tenacity are truly commendable. They've not only survived but thrived in a domain typically dominated by financial gurus and Wall Street bigwigs. And so, the story of Mrs. Watanabe continues, a tale of ordinary homemakers outsmarting global finance.